Ka kai phot ka pen I bak chingdon ki kan thai Khlem lok ki ba shong ba sa hi tang bat la ki khun la ni ki single mothers ka balong khat lai pu nyar phnyo persen na ka jala Meghalaya ka long ka mat ka ba pen skau khia commission ki ba paj ka ba ka miat ki kan thai ha ka jala bat ha ri India hi bro ka wei kani kla pa wa ka jingelang ya mir jumut bla khot pen long dak Meghalaya State Commission for Women bat karshan pat dak National Commission for Women halo ka phang ga imlang sa alang lem ka yo ka kot ki kan thai Khlem lok ha ka jala ha ka ar fly trek julio arjar fly ha state Convention Center. Kibla ai jingkran ki kanthop kong Fidelia Toy, chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women, ka kong Delina Khungdup, ka badi ka khot jong National Commission for Women, kumju ka Dr. Mallory Nongrum, associate professor, Indian Institute of Public Health, Meghalaya. Kilaran ki benta bagi nongkran nakani ki jingelang gila ong baka jingkiu ka percentage ki kan thai Khlem lok, kalong ka badung kam yet benya, bat hab bante la kambha.
In Meghalaya, according to the study which was referenced by Kong Annie, which was conducted by the State Commission for Women and which was published last year, records the prevalence of single mothers at 13.67%. It is also, It is also estimated that there are 72,759 single mothers in the state. The estimate, however, seems to be a little lower than the number of female-headed households in Meghalaya, which is 95,841 according to the census. Nevertheless, we see that there are thousands of women who are single mothers. Though single motherhood is not always an outcome of a breakdown in the family, it could also be a choice considering the rapid cultural shift in the society today. However, the possible reasons for women to be a single mother could be varied. Widowhood, divorce, separation from a partner or spouse, fleeing from domestic violence, unintended pregnancies, as well as armed conflict, natural disasters, displacement and migration are common reasons cited across the world. However, in Meghalaya, according to our study, we see that the major reason seems to be abandonment by the husband or desertion, which I've highlighted as an impact of adultery. This has far-reaching consequences in the Meghalaya context, as economic support from the husband after abandonment is not always possible for all women. It is important to note that single mothers have a heavy responsibility, and I think we all share that sentiment. She has to maintain a work-life balance, as most of them have a minimum education. They have to work long hours in wage work to be able to provide for their children. In the study, it is seen that a large proportion of 46.2% have no formal education, and another 28.4% have attained only primary education. So if you club the two, primary education and the ones with no formal education, it comes to almost 75%, which is a major chunk do not have not attained a good school education. The low educational status of single mothers results in them having to engage only in wage work, which brings little financial returns. There are also other problems which relates to the children, where if they work for long hours, there is no supervision or low supervision of children. And this is a study that was conducted by the District Child Protection Unit of East Khasi Hills, where we looked at children at risk. And it kind of coincides where we see that almost 25%, 1/4 of the children do not have, supervision during the day. This situation is also seen in other developed countries like the US, where single mothers are at a higher risk of poverty than their male counterparts. Besides, there are issues which are often masked because of the pressure to be strong and take the decisions. In the study conducted in Meghalaya, single mothers also experience issues related to their mental well-being. The widows experience unwanted and uncontrollable loss. Divorcees often experience feelings of having failed in their marriage and work through feelings of guilt, resentment, anger. And young widows with children, because of the untimely death of their spouse, experience a prolonged period of depression and frustration.
Dr. Dipankar Das, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, naga swagat Hospital Guwahati, undon hanong ba Shillong, haka arba South Rig ujiliw, 8,000 arpulay, na duwa kapor katway baje Minstep, Howardland Hospital. Undon ru haka si sadjan kabasaw, man lau benay. Kino gibran jing pangklong snam, kila banwan ni selok yu. Call how number, kandai not, pra kandai, not kandai, nyo kandai, not nyo.